This is a little video on my current set of multimeters that I'm using, and these are kind of my backup or secondary meters. Originally, when I retired and started working on vintage audio electronics, I treated myself to a Fluke Model 87 version 5 or version V, however they refer to it. Kind of expensive meter, $400 or so, but it's a great meter, very accurate, and I still use it all the time. I don't have it here right now with me out in Arizona, but I do have it back in Virginia, my main workshop, and that's where it stays. Now originally, before I bought that, I would limp along with things like this, little Harbor Freight cheapies, or from Radio Shack, and when I finally decided to actually do work at home for real, thought I'd upgrade. So this one I have here just for fun. But these are the ones that I have now that are kind of in order in which I bought them. I got the X-Tech EX330. And this is the Astro AI DM6000AR. And I just picked up this Fluke Model 101. And it's kind of a limited use. It doesn't even have current. It only does voltages and resistance and stuff. But I bought this to just throw in a toolbox and just to have. So it won't be a bench meter really. Just these two are. These price-wise, this is about $55 or so right now. Very nice meter. This thing is a steal right now. I just noticed. I think I paid $32 for this one. It's on Amazon right now for $25 on sale. Absolute steal for what you get. And pretty decent meter. And this is $42. I also picked it up on Amazon. So if I was going to order these in quality, I'd probably do it like that. And Fluke, even though this is a Chinese made one and it's only $40, they still really build these. It's a quality meter, very durable. These X-Techs, yeah, they're good. It's got really kind of nice feeling plastic. I think the range switch is a little, well, I like it. I think it's okay. I've heard people complain that it's a little too loose, but I think it's okay. And the Astro AI, the only thing I don't really like about it is how it beeps all the time, every time you change ranges. But it's very good. So that's my order for quality. So if I was going to order these and bang for the buck, that's how it'd be. It's hard to beat this one for current price of $25, and it's a true RMS AC multimeter, where these two are just averaging. I don't really need a true RMS very often, but it's kind of nice to have it for $25. That's pretty astonishing that they can make that meter for that price. And it's pretty good quality. I've been using it for a year or so and no complaints. Other than it might be a little slow updating. The 6000 counts is kind of nice. But yeah, a little kind of plasticky feel to it. But yeah, that's kind of what I have right now. It's all decent meters. I'd recommend any of them. That right now, if you want to get on Amazon and pick up one for $25, that's a steal. This is still very twice the price. Still very high quality. I like it, how small it is, and then this thing is just really durable. I'm going to put it in this little case here and just throw it in the toolbox, and we'll see how it lasts. It should be okay. So all these are kind of like 1/10 of the price of my original Fluke 87. So you got to expect them to not be as maybe safe or as accurate, but they're all very decent meters, and I'd recommend all of them. So thanks very much for watching. Oh, one more thing I wanted to say. Another complaint I have with this one is it has this HFE, which is for testing transistors. They really should have left that off. That's something that you only usually see on stuff like this Harbor Freight cheapie has a little transistor tester. And nobody really tests transistors with multimeters. If you want to test a component, transistor or inductor or anything, get one of these multifunction testers. These things are, I think, like 20 bucks on Amazon. Really cheap and work really well. You don't even have to know what the pinout is on your transistor. You just plug it into this little header right here, and it automatically figures it out. Tells you where the emitter, where the base is, where the collector, and all the different values, HFE, and everything you need to know about a transistor. So yeah, get one of these for component testing, and use these just for measuring voltages and current and resistance, stuff like that. So thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.